Hello, welcome to the world of floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Open Colombian. Now, we're going to jump straight in and show you what it looks like. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So, nice and easy. First off, we need to be able to do the basic Colombian footwork. So if we all face the front, all we're going to do, we'll practice it in both directions because it's useful, because you can do Colombians that go there and come back. All we're going to do is we're going to step to the left on the left, we're going to turn to our right and step back on the right. Then we're going to face the front again and step to the left on the left, we turn to the left and step forward on the right. Okay, one more time, we're going to turn to face the front, we're going to step left on the left, and as we turn to the right we step back on the right, and then we change direction. So we rock onto the front foot, turn to face the front, step to the right on the right, and we turn to our left, go behind with the left. Facing the front we step right to the right, keep turning right, we step forward on the left. Face the front, step onto the right, last one, we turn to the left, step behind with the left. So we go step, square, behind, square, in front, square, behind, change direction, rock, step, behind, and in front, and behind, change direction, rock, step, behind, and in front, and behind. Rock, step, behind and in front and behind, rock, step. A little bit of practice and that will become nice and easy. So now we're going to put it together with a partner and produce our Open Colombian. So we're going to go semicircle back to two hands, and this is just the same entrance as the start of a two-handed first move. So if you've never done one of those, you'll actually have an explanation of that in one of the first move machine clips. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the lady in on the right, guys are out on the left, we're going to twist out and we're going to have a nice gap between us because we've got these open arm connections. So guys are left foot back, ladies are right foot back, and we're actually weighting the back foot, so the guys are as far back as the ladies. As we come onto the front foot, we're going to bring the hands up, guys thumb, ladies thumb gap, nice wide position with the hands because it makes it easier to feel what's going on. We step square and we're going to keep going to the guy's left. We're going to push with the right hand, pull with the left, guys are going to go behind, ladies are going to go behind. Then we come square. Then we go through the middle, so we push with the left, pull with the right and through the middle. And we come square. Now you could do as many as you like, but what we're going to do now is we're going to push with the right and let go, take the left over the lady's head as we continue through, guys. Ladies just get a return as we continue down the line and step away, and we are done. The footwork is 2 steps for every count. So in a first move you normally have 2 steps for every count, so it's just exactly the same as usual. You'll notice that you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you're still doing exactly the same speed you normally are, but you will probably feel that you're going faster than usual. But that's fine. We'll go through it one more time from this side so we can think about our timing. So we go back. Obviously we're looking for 2 hands. We're coming in side by side. Now this twist out, that's our first 1, 2. So we get rock, step. Then we go step behind, step in front, step behind, step in front. Here comes the return, return and back. Let's do it one more time from this side. We go back, 2 hands, in, 2 steps each time so far. Now our twist out, rock, step, bringing the hands up, and we get step behind, step in front, step behind, step in front, and return and back. Let's see if we can do it to a proper count. Here we go. 5, a 6, an Open Colombian. We go back, in, twist and step behind and in front and behind and in front and return and back. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bit of practice, you'll be able to romp all over the dance floor. How high you place the hands, very much dependent upon the height of the shorter partner. Okay, so you don't want to be lifting it too high so it's uncomfortable. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and as always, like, subscribe and hit the bell. Cheers! I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.